I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Pandas on Ubuntu 26 operating system. So here, opening this place, so terminal, and now if I write there Python 3 minus minus version. So you can see 3.14.4, the latest version that already I installed. Now thereafter, the next is let's use clear command. So next here, installing this Pandas with the help of Python 3. So writing this command sudo, then apt install, thereafter Python 3 minus Pandas. Sudo apt install Python 3 minus Pandas. Press enter, give the password. So this you can see this all that's come there. Here you can see installing Python 3 Pandas and this all dependencies, tables and ODF numpy tab, this all that's come there and suggested package. Now thereafter simply you need to write there by pressing enter. So this is doing some download. Here you can see Python numpy dev amt, that's done, and now numpy this downloading there. This all is there here. Pandas that successfully installed. Let's use the clear command. After writing this place Python 3. So this you can come on inside the Python 3.14.4 console. There you need to use this. So there I'm going to run the simple Pandas program. So here let's use this terminal, paste and press enter. So here column wise sum, this displaying row wise sum. Okay, so this is working correctly and there I'm using the package Pandas as PT. So this is the simplest way we can easily install this Pandas inside the Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.